Hi. Hi guys, welcome. What's up? That's my dog. Hi guys. So welcome back. I know I was gone for a really long time, but I just didn't know what to post and all of that. So just the other day, yesterday, we received a package we got when we bought the car, our new car. And we're going to be tasting all of the stuff in this box. Oh, forgot. So first up, yogurt coated dates. It's my dog. He wants something. Oh. Mmm, that's good. Next is chutney corn. Like, no, you know, like those corn with the salt on, salted corn. Basically like chips. Wait, is this even the right area? Oh well, it worked. Okay, that didn't work out. But anyway. Wow. Turkish apricot. I have eaten that before. But you know, let's just do it again. Woo! It smells bad. I was willing to just put that in my mouth without looking at it and shit. That's delicious, but it smells like Rainbow Flakes! Ah! That sounded so weird. Oh my, oh. This is good. 100. I give it 100. We did 2-in-1, so banana chips. This is good. Banana chips, everyone. 8 cubes. Shit. Oh no. That's how it looks. Are you kidding me? It fell in the box, don't worry. What are dates? Melanie, do you want a date? Chocolate peanuts. I already know how this tastes, but this is good. And the last one. Caramel popcorn. Hello. This is good. Okay, so that's it for today's video. And I hope you enjoyed me tasting snacks. But anyway, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you.